Hello, good morning. So in this video, I will tell you about how you're gonna updating the data in bulk. Just say that, for example, we go to the catalog and product. We can go this by Olsera office, and just say that we want to change several updates in here. For example, like you want to activate, just say you want to activate the alerts of stock, or just say that for the stock quantity before it is like unlimited, but now you want to change it into you can tracking like this, it is unlimited but you want to track it now, or you want to change or adding more variants or change the prices, the buy price and such things. We can do that in bulk, because if you just say that you only have by phone or tablet, you have to change it one by one. So for this example, you can, when we click for the paracetamol syrup, and then if you want to editing anything, you have to click this, and then if you want to edit about the price or the cost, and also for the inventory and such thing, you have to edit it one by one. And if you want to add variant also, you have to manage the variant one by one by each product. But if you want to go to the bulk by Excel, actually you can go by here. First of all, you have to export all of the data that you have. Why? Because in Olsera, if you wanted to change it, we need to have the same or exact name that written in Olsera that you're already inputting in here. So first of all, you have to do is you're going to the export, or if you already have from the previous data, it's also fine actually, so you don't have to go to the export. But if you go to the export, you can choose like from rows 1 to 1000, and then till 2000 and such things, and you can just have to export it. And just say that I already have the products in here. For example, in here, so the variant's gonna look like this. We're gonna look for it first. Am I having this data? Okay, we're just gonna download it first to make sure it's all just the same. Hmm. Okay, I already have the data. Just say that I'm gonna change for the from number 2 until number 10 in here. I want to change of their datas. And after you export it, you also can download the template of import product. You can click these three dots and then click for the import products, and then for the download template, actually it's gonna show like this. It's gonna show like this. So after you already have this, and you already have the data that you already inputting in Olsera, just say that we're gonna copy for the name until this liquid. Just say that until for the bakmi ayam jamur. And then I'm gonna copy it in here. And then for the category, just make sure that for each section and column, it's right. You have to move it from the export file into this import file. And also, if you want to add more, just say that you want to add more variant. um, Wait, we have to copy this one, and then you can add a new variant. Just for example, the variant by color, I'm gonna say red and blue, and then this, and then I have to go by this also because I have variants in here. So it is all right. And if you also have other data, you have to make sure that you input it all of them, so there will be no. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna add into here. So as you can see, previously for the paracetamol it already have SKU, but because you are adding more variants, so I'm gonna add more the SKU or the barcode. I'm gonna change this into 9. Okay. Um, I'm gonna copy this for this also, and then just make sure that you input it based on this column, like for the SKU, barcode, the buy price, and such things, and also for the buy price. I'm also gonna add it in here. For the cost, make sure that you don't put zero in it, because if you put zero and then it will change into zero and you can like redo it again. So you have to updating again. And also for the sell price, just say that you're gonna add more for this. I will copy it one by one. Okay. Just say that you want to activate for the inventory alert. Just say that your stock for currently is 10, but if it reach for 5, then it's gonna show for the alert that the stock is only 5 left. So actually you can and also for the track inventory, just make sure you type for 1, so you activate it. Don't make it 0, or don't don't you try to not fill it at all, because if you don't put it, then the data will be unlimited like this, so there will be no stock or inventory activate. And also for the stock quantity, actually you can put like the current stock, or if you don't have one, if you don't want to put it, it's actually totally fine. You just have to delete it. Then we go to the low stock alert. Actually you can put it like, for example, for the paracetamol, every 5 items, then it will show for the alert. And also for the full color, every 10 items it will show alert also. And here ping flash. And for the bug me, I'm not gonna activate that one, because it will be unlimited. And actually if you want to add more for the loyalty points, the commission, and such things, actually in bulk you can put all of them in this Excel. So after that we just have to download it. Just make sure that you download it by CSV file type. And then while it's downloading, we go here for the three dots, import products, and then we input it. Okay, we input it the file, and then like this. If you if there's an error, actually it's gonna show like this. If it's not, then and if it's clear, actually you can processing. So if you want to updating anything, actually you can go by Excel, but I have to tell you, if you go by Excel there will be no tracking, so you don't know like what's the last time that you were putting the or updating the data. So that's how you inputting for the low stock alert, or if you want to updating anything, or if you want to change the buy price and the sell price, or like changing anything, actually you can go in here, because it will like updating. So it's gonna change into the new one. That's why you have to export the data, because you have to make sure by the how it's written like this. Just make sure that it's the same, it's all the same, that you're already inputting in Olsera. Because if just say that you forget about the space, or you forget about adding one alphabet, actually it's gonna count as a new product. So make sure that for how it's written and also the category, it's all the same. So I think you can try it. If you have any question, you can go back to me. Thank you.